Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prepare and bake flounder like a pro. Trust me, it's easier than you think and super delicious. First, let's talk about the star of the show, the flounder. Make sure you have a fresh flounder. If you're unsure, ask your fishmonger for help. Fresh fish should smell like the ocean, not fishy. Alright, let's get to prepping. Start by placing the flounder on a clean cutting board. Using a sharp knife, make a small incision just behind the gills, then run the knife along the spine to fillet the fish. Take your time here. Precision is key. Once you have your fillets, remove any remaining bones with tweezers. Next, let's season our flounder. Drizzle some olive oil and then sprinkle salt, pepper and a bit of paprika for some color and flavor. You can also add some fresh herbs like thyme or dill if you like. Now preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, prepare a baking dish with a little olive oil to prevent sticking. Place the fillets in the dish, and if you're feeling fancy, add a few lemon slices on top. This not only adds flavor, but also looks great. Pop the dish into the oven and bake for about 15-20 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork, and there you have it. Perfectly baked flounder that's ready to impress. Serve it with your favorite sides. I love it with roasted veggies or a simple salad. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Happy cooking!